Welcome to another Health News video news release brought to you by Health News. In today's news, we look at how lower back adjustments may help you to lose weight. A visit to your chiropractor will definitely ease an aching back, but did you know the additional benefits include improved posture, less referred pain to your legs and hips, and even weight loss? A study in the Journal of Pain Research confirmed that chronic back pain can lead to weight gain through a combination of decreased activity, poor sleep, and eating for comfort. Your spine also contains nerves that connect your brain to your body. These combination pathways also control hunger and fullness cues. By adjusting your spine and helping to open up these pathways, you receive better information to your brain about when you need to eat and when you need to stop eating. Exercise is an important part of weight loss as well as all your daily activities. When your back hurts, you are not excited to head to the gym, lift weights, jog on the treadmill, much less move. So, an adjustment that alleviates back pain will get you moving again and back to working out fully and burning calories. Remember, you and your family can be as healthy as can be, and it's never too soon to start receiving chiropractic care. Visit your chiropractor regularly and make sure your nervous system is functioning 100%. Also, if you are watching this video on Facebook, please love our page, comment, and share. If you are watching this video on our YouTube channel, please subscribe. And if you are watching this video on our website and have not already done so, please add your name and email address to the form on this page. And that's it for today's health news.